Hello guys, welcome to Bubbly Dre and family. Today we will be going to the car dealership. We will be looking at new cars because we've had our car for some time now, and we don't really need a really big car anymore, so we're gonna trade it in for another car.
And you're gonna uli it, so yeah.
Let's go, guys. Even though it's pretty close, we're just gonna take the car. Cause we're too lazy to walk.
Card.
We're finally here.
Finally here. Okay, let's go.
Already here, but my dad is just asking, to test drive the car.
Yeah. And they're gonna
Because,
sign. They're gonna sign London. I'm just driving to Macdo. Okay. Okay. And
Cause the seats on the Nissan aren't like our one. There's like something I forgot what it's called. It's been a couple of minutes now, and I don't know why is it taking so long. My dad might be doing some paperwork or something,
I'm just sleeping.
but I don't know. Cause it's been like. So when did we start? When did we get here? We got here 2020. No, I think it's like 2031.
2019.
So we'll just wait a couple more minutes, I guess.
Yeah, and I'm just sleeping in the back. We'll keep fighting to the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No losers, but we are the champions. Of the world. Mother in your face, you big disgrace.
Finally
He's
here!
here!
It's been 30 years!
And it's been 2021. Okay, then there's it.
Okay, let's
Oh
go.
boy. Oh boy.
Hello. You're in the middle? Alrea's in the middle. Already be careful, Dave.
Inside your dream helicopter.
Hello.
Nice!
Mommy said I was in the front seat.
$19 million.
Here now, and I'm trying to get this off. They're gonna be like stand, and then I went to the Uber, and then I pulled this, and there was a candy.
that's cool.
So I
Mommy, look
don't
at
know.
that.
There's no candy. So
How did they do that though? How did they do that? Mommy, look, man. It's like it's like there's a thing up the camera.
So nice. Look at the tape car. So nice.
So much space.
There's so much space.
I don't even know.
They locked the car there.
Wait, do you need gas there?
They locked our car there.
Do you need gas?
Di, lock din car, daddy.
No, our car. Toad
Ang
car.
car na to ba?
Kuya, you can put snack in here, Kuya. Look, Kuya.
What?
You can put snack.
Yeah. What's that then? What's that? Push on and off.
Are you going back our house? No, we're going back our car because there's still stuff in there.
I'm trying to find
Oh.
channel.
Test drive naman. Tadi ko niya pa. No, I did it.
Hey, this is James Coolidge from Friday at YFC London. With the current restrictions on gatherings, we have had to do a quick pivot and change our annual fundraising banquet to a fundraising drive-in concert.
That's what
Join
is
us
a mirror.
on Monday, September 14th, or
I like here.
Wait, Kuya, how you pull this? And there were candy drops. Remember the Uber we got? And like we
Yeah.
go, then it's, I cannot.
Pull it more. Mommy, can you pull it, please?
I'm gonna go pull it.
Straight. No, Aldrey, no, not like that. Straight. Mommy. That thing is straight. Pull it straight.
Look at this out. Oh, look at this out.
Sa daddy.
I don't know. That's one for
So good.
No, we don't even need the.
And
So,
like this
how's the ride back there?
It's cool.
Oh, it's cool.
It's nice.
So this is the view from the front seat. But I'm just gonna flip it though. Let's see. I'm really hungry because before we didn't even go anywhere to eat.
Well,
So,
not
or
the.
like we didn't eat anything.
Well,
So
not the.
yeah.
Woo! Where's the road that's
If you give this 100,000 likes, I will
Send to Kuya to the YouTuber.
I will dye my hair black.
Black.
No, it's not.
Yeah, because there's no brown now. There's no brown. Hi, how you doing?
There's no
so
buttons,
nice
right?
car. It's like a big bus. And they're right there. Just pull. Look at the
Can you
view.
check your stuff, Mommy, if you can? Wait, mahita pang season ito sa likod.
Look at the view, guys.
It's okay.
They're driving. I can see Daddy and me. Look. Hello. You can see my camera.
My butt's
Camera
starting to warm
guy.
up, Mommy.
Hello. Camera guy. You can see my phone with the case. So soft. This case so soft. So yeah. You know guys, Kuya blame it my teeth because fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Then you put it in my mouth.
I took Aldrey's
And
teeth
I-
off
and
with
then
a
I
fidget
touched
spinner
the teeth.
because
Bong na.
you know what?
Nagbong. Nagbong na yung team.
Because I was spinning the fidget spinner, and he said he liked the air that was coming out of it. I don't think there's even any air that comes out of a fidget spinner. So then after that, I was spinning it like right beside here. He moved, and then his tooth was hanging on. His
And
tooth
I
was
touched
hanging
it
on.
and I have bong na.
For a second, he was laughing, and then he realized he was bleeding, and the tooth finally came down, and he started crying. So sad.
No?
Yeah, you're crying.
Ayan. Don't blame it, bro. Don't blame it to me.
You cried.
Don't blame it. Don't blame it. That was Kuya's fault.
Figure out how to open the. Oh.
How about the back there? How about the back?
Oh my. Daddy, unya na daddy kayo.
He broke his. So we opened it, but we have no idea how to close it.
Because Daddy broke it.
Oh my. We're
And
back.
we're back.
figure it out.
I'll just figure it out. It was a really nice car drive, and it's a really nice car. You have a lot of space for your legs. That's it.
And you guys, you recorded. I was not there, and Gwyneth was sleeping, and Kuya wake me up and smack with me in the pillow. To wake up.
For today, guys, and remember, make your day a bubbly day. Bye. Leave a like and subscribe and comment. Okay.